Good morning to everyone. My name is Salman, student of class 7. My school name is Diyadan Model School. Today my topic is the heat travels from the solids by conduction. First, we have to take a flat strip of metal knife, then take some candles and put the candles on the knife with the help of wax. Then light the candle. Then take the knife and put the knife on the candle. You can see that the heat transfer to the first candle, then the heat transfer to the second candle. You can see the heat has transferred to the second candle and the second candle has fallen down and the last candle has fallen down one by one because heat travels from one candle to another candle. So the heat travels from the solid by conduction. Thank you.